Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to activate DBS credit card. Based on the information available, DBS provides several convenient methods for activating your credit card. Here's a breakdown of the most common approaches. 1. Activation via digital bank. You see, when you want to activate via DigiBank Mobile, the first thing you need to do is log into your DigiBank Mobile app using your Touch or Face ID or DigiBank user ID and PIN. Next, you tap on the More tab. Then under Manage Cards and Loan, tap Activate Card. Next, tap on Activate Credit Card. Select the credit card you want to activate, review your request, and tap Activate Card to complete the process. The second method you can use is activation via DigiBank Online. Now, what you do here is log into DigiBank Online, which you use on the ID and PIN. Complete the authentication process. On the cards, click on Activate Credit Card. Follow the on-screen prompt to complete the activation process. It's as simple as that. The third method is a possible SMS activation. There is some information indicating that DBS may also provide SMS activation. If this option is available, you will typically have to open your phone's messaging app, compose a new message with the activation code provided with your credit card, send the message to the specified DBS number, wait for a confirmation message. It is important for you to note that for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions, it's always best to refer to the official DBS website or contact DBS customer service directly. The exact steps may vary slightly depending on your location and the specific type of DBS credit card you have. So always ensure that you're using the official DBS channels to protect your personal information. I hope this information is helpful to you. See you in the next video.